if you want to understand the chemistry of success, you've got to study the life and the styles and the manner of living of successful people. I will count 3 enemies for you which sure shot ensure that a person does not succeed. One is expectation, expecting, waiting for a miracle to happen. Second is hoping that one day this might happen. And the third is wishing, just plainly, simply spreading your hands and maybe praying or demanding or asking for the universe to thrust it upon you. All 3 never happen. All 3 are the synonyms of miracles. Miracles happen once in a life or once in history. And I personally don't believe in them. There's only one thing that works, and that is your effort, intent, and chase. So, the cure for the disease called expectation is doing. Don't expect, do. The cure for the disease called hoping is move. Don't sit stagnant. Move it. Move. Life is moving, so must you. And third, the hope. The cure for the disease called wishing and demanding and begging. Yeah, prayer is a source of strength, but not the only way. And the cure for the third disease called wishing is to become. Become what you aspire to become. Don't just wish. Wish is a waste of time. So, nutshell, don't just sit there and expect, do. Don't just sit there and hope, move it. And don't just wish, make it happen. Become that. Good luck.